Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Get $5 right now to try the service at plughitzlive.com/privacy. Hello, Internet. I'm Scott with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. We're here at CES 2019 at the Z-Wave Alliance booth in the Abode section. We've got a bit of a kitchen around us and a device on the counter. We'll find out about that in just a second. But first, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, Tim Rios here from Abode Systems. I'm a tech specialist for the company.
Okay. And what is this little guy we got behind us here?
So this is our iota. It's the smart, secure, all-in-one security kit for your home. Essentially, it is an all-in-one security system. Okay. Houses the hardware, the software, has a built-in 1080p streaming camera, a built-in motion sensor, is 4G enabled for cellular backup, and also has the ability to connect to your router via Ethernet or through Wi-Fi. Okay. So essentially, you would set this up, connect it to your router, and then through your web or mobile app, you would add devices such as door sensors, window sensors, motion sensors, other things, other products from our group, and then also integrate smart products from any one of our Z-Wave Alliance partners.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just so I can make sure, in this little box right here, we have got a camera and a motion sensor. We've got the alarm itself. We've got connectivity for Wi-Fi and Ethernet and cellular, all in here, and then it's the thing that is able to then interact with all the other things in the Alliance network. To maybe when the motion sensor goes off, you could turn on lights and things like that as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So essentially, the box itself, we actually don't utilize your Wi-Fi, so we have our own signal that we use, which is great. In the sense that if you have a blackout, we do have a battery backup for the iota, and we also have cellular backup, again 4G enabled, that will allow your system to connect. There is a built-in SIM card there as well. It will connect with one of our networks, and you will still have connectivity even though there's no power. And I mentioned that we don't use your Wi-Fi because we have our own, our own frequency. So even if the power's off and your router's down, your alarm is still going to sound locally. If somebody tries to break in your home, the alarm will still sound, and you will be alerted with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then with the cellular backup, it would still be able to push information outside of the house to alert you as well?
Absolutely. Okay. That's correct.
Great. How much does this little guy cost?
Okay, so this would be the iota all-in-one security kit that you would start with. It comes with the iota, which is the gateway for the system, the hub. It also comes with a mini door/window sensor, and a key fob that you can use to arm and disarm your system locally around your home. So that goes for $299 out the door, no monthly fees, no nothing. You can self-monitor. Really, with the savings come with the bundles. So the cool thing about our system is that there is no fee. There is no monthly fee for professional monitoring. You don't have to have a cost for that. You can self-monitor through the app. If something happens, if there's an event, you will get a push notification on your phone saying, front door sensor activated. Would you like to disarm or activate and call police? And so it goes from that point on. You can, however, get the professional monitoring on a monthly basis, and that's really up to you. And there's no contracts. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, but the real savings come with a bundle where normally our professional monitoring is $30 a month. If you buy with our bundle right now, it's only $50 for the first year. So you get the hardware kit, you get the first year of professional monitoring and cell backup for only $50, and then after that you get a discounted price as one of our bundle customers.
Oh, well, that certainly sounds like the way to go.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And if you choose to still self-monitor, we do have plans like 3-day plans or 7-day plans, which is pretty cool. If you're going to go on vacation, you can, essentially on your web or mobile app, sign up for a week, or 2 weeks or 3 days. You can take a long weekend, and then you can go back to your self-monitoring right after that.
That's really great. On the live show yesterday, we talked about that a little bit, and I really like that idea. so that maybe, for me, I work out of the house, and so I'm there most of the time. But this week, I'm on the wrong coast,
Right.
so I'm nowhere near. So I could turn on that monitoring service
Yes.
just for the time that I'm in Vegas,
Yep.
and when I get back, no problem.
Yep, absolutely. So what happens is if you turn it on, again, if there is a breach in your home, you will receive that notification on your phone, and you have a certain amount of time, an average time, to respond to that app, to the notification. If you don't, the professional monitoring will kick in and they will call you and then get that whole process started. So you're backed up either way.
So, say I get that notification while you and I are standing here doing an interview.
Yeah.
I can't touch my phone because it's nowhere near me, and so I don't respond. They can start the process without my needing to be involved.
That is correct. Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And of course, being in different time zones also can make that better.
Yeah, it's 24/7. So, and they're very responsive, and people enjoy the flexibility of it.
Yeah. That's really great. If people want more information on the product, how can they get it?
You can go to www.goabode.com, and we have a lot of information on all our products there and all the bundles and all the deals that we have at this time.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for talking to me today.
All right, thank you for having me.
For continuing CES 2019 coverage, stay tuned to plughitzlive.com/CES.